we can see the signal, I don't know how you say signal, probably. Just here. That's the shop I was supposed to go. Waffles, and I would only eat desserts if I could. So you order from this machine. Last year, English wasn't existing. Now it does, which is great. So you can order your chicken from here. You just have to confirm. You don't pay in advance. And then they will bring your order.
I know that, but I don't know that.
You have to try this one. Pepper.
Ah.
It's not the burning one, it's
Which one?
pepper soy sauce.
pepper soy sauce. So good. Oh, really, really good. Now I'm gonna try this one. Don't know which one. So good. Proper Korean fried chicken. I came here last year and it was so good I wanted to try again. We love it. What's that mean?
That's when you get papago. Papago Hill.
What does it say?
I think I made a mistake.
Oh, okay.
Previous.
Cart.
Cart.
Then
Order, it's me.
order.
Order
Okay.
condition.
There you go. BHC feedback. That's the best. That's the best cool place in Seoul. It's super cozy. You can have a great night. You have all different people. You have like people wearing suits, and at the same time you have very local place. Super nice. Food is so good, so good. Don't read Google reviews. I don't know how they got those reviews, but no, it's not worth it to read that. Don't waste your time. Just try it. It's really cool. It's really cool. People laugh really loud. It's super easy. Super nice. I love this place. I would definitely go back. So for everything we got, we paid around 40 pounds, which is quite reasonable for the portions that you have.
catering? Yes. Wow.
Oh wow!
Very nice as well. I can see myself. Amazing.
Thank you! I'm in a Uber to go back to the Andaz, to my hotel. We went to the jangsaeng healthy bar. It's the bar that you saw on Netflix when they had a Seoul series about the street food there. The bar was amazing. That's what you saw in a video. I loved it. I cannot recommend more. It's in a very small street, proper unexpected, but so great, so relaxed. People really enjoy the moment. It's not too much. It's not too much. I definitely recommend. Now I'm gonna go to sleep soon, as tomorrow we are changing hotels. So yeah, bye. These. So I just left the Andaz hotel in Gangnam, and now I'm going to the Signal. The Andaz was amazing. It's my favorite boutique hotel ever when I travel. It's super convenient. The staff is really nice. The hotel is so beautiful. It's a small one, so yeah, it's very beautiful. They added screens everywhere where you have cherry blossoms. It's so beautiful. I tried the bar, as you saw. It was super great. I tried the bakery as well. I bought a few things with me for the new hotel. It's great. The pool is unreal. That's the best pool I've ever seen. Even if it's an indoor one, that's the best one. I can't find any bad things to say. Or negative side, the location is perfect. You are in Gangnam, so you can go by walking, or you can take the tube that is literally right next door. You have a blue bottle coffee right next to the Andaz as well. No, that's a perfect hotel. I can only recommend. The staff is really nice too. Very nice. Super easy. The country is really easy, and you can see it as well in the hotel. So yeah, now I'm going to my new place.